If you don't have a good friend, then it's pretty tough, man. It is pretty tough. But you can find one. Friends put up with everything. You know that? It's true. They put up, you know, no matter what anybody says, they just say, hey, you know what? That's my friend. Don't pick on him. So if you don't have a friend, you call us up here. You got one here. Listen, me and my rubber duck would be happy to talk to you. We'd love to. But there are people that don't feel like they do have a friend. But you got one. We're in your house, wherever you are, unless you're watching in your boat or your car or where. Maybe you're living in a tree. I don't know. But wherever you're watching this, we're seeing you. Where's my Wilson people? You know what? Wilson, those people get carried on. Last night they were here laughing and carrying on. And they were cool, man. I like that. So Wilson, you know, show off a little bit. You know, tell the people. Tarboro, yeah, they're fun. They're a lot of fun. I love the theater there with nobody in it. It's great. But the thing is, the Wilson bunch, they always call up and start laughing and stuff. That's great. Because we like that. We have a little laughing contest, too. So if you get in that, we'll give you a prize for that. So you can win something like that. The Elvis songs and all the good stuff. There's just a lot of good music out there that you can come up and do. Whether you just sing for a party or you sing together to enjoy yourself, listening to the kind of music you like. What we're doing is we try to expand it, all kinds, country music, rock and roll, standards, classics, songs that really and truthfully can get to you and then touch you a little bit there. That's what we want to do tonight. We're going to be showing that movie later on, too, a part of a movie, and that movie star will be here. All right. It's about time. I mean, I think the movie star's coming in. I can see the limit. Yep. All right. Thank goodness they made it to the studio. Oh. I was just wondering, what am I going to do? I mean, I can't stretch but so long for the person. Got the limo. So if you saw a limo coming through Rocky Mount, it probably stopped for 2 hours for the train, but it's still getting here. I'm sure it will probably get here for somewhere. And we will show you parts of that movie. And if you didn't see the movie,